Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Your name?
Sir, myself, I am Ramya, sir.
Okay, Ramya. Can I have your resume?
Yes, sir.
Ramya, introduce yourself.
Sir, myself, I am Ramya. I have completed my BTech in the year of 2024 in the streaming of electrical department, which is affiliated to JNDH University, sir. And I have good foundation on back-end technicals and front-end technicals, sir. And coming to my front-end technicals, I have very good at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, sir. And I have React also. I have no little bit of React. And coming to my backend technicals, I am very good at C Sharp, SQL, and ASP.NET and ADO.NET, sir. And during my BTech, I have completed my projects. That's it, sir.
Okay, Ramya. So, Ramya, how much rate yourself in C# out of 5?
Sir, 4, sir.
Okay, fine. So, what is OOPS?
Sir, OOPS is a concept of object-oriented programming language, and in OOPS we have different types. There are classes, variables, methods. These are all the types in the OOPS, and OOPS is not a single concept, sir. The combination of 4 principles. We have a OOPS, and the principles are encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance, sir.
Okay. So, what are the data types?
Sir, data types, actually we have three types of data types, sir. First one is value data type, reference data type, and dotted data type.
And pointer data.
Yes, sir, and pointer data type. And we have in value data type we have different types. There are int, string, char, and boolean,
Okay.
yes, etc., sir.
Okay. So, what is typecasting?
Sir, typecasting is used to convert the data typecasting is used to convert the one data type to another data type. And in typecasting we have 2 types. There are implicit and explicit. Implicit is used to convert the small data type into large data type, and explicit is used to convert the large data type into small data type, sir.
Okay. So, what is encapsulation?
Sir, encapsulation is from it is from the concept of OOPS, and encapsulation is used to the mechanism of it is the mechanism of combination of loops into a single loop. And encapsulation, to present the encapsulation we have to create 2 classes. In first class we have to write the code, and in the second class we have to write the main execution method, static void main. And in the second class we have to execute the method what we write in the first class.
Simply, encapsulation it is nothing but the wrapping of classes and a methods into a single unit.
Yes, sir.
Is known as a encapsulation. Simply
Okay.
one word.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever encapsulation it is nothing but the wrapping of functions and variables into a single unit is known as a encapsulation. Alright. So what is the difference between method overloading and overriding?
So method overloading means the class having same methods with different parameters is called as method overloading, sir. And method overriding means it has same class, child class and parent class, and having same methods with child class and parent class, but parent class is override its methods, and it takes the child class properties is called as method overriding.
Okay. So can we inherit that method overloading? Is it possible or not possible?
Inheritance. I think method overloading inheritance is may not possible, sir.
Okay. In overriding, inheritance is possible.
Possible, yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the exception?
So exception, it is a abnormal and unwanted thing which occurred during the programs. To rectify this problem, we have a exception handling. In exception handling is used to rectify the exceptions which caused in the programs. By using 3 blocks, try, catch, finally. By using these three blocks, we achieve the exception handling.
Okay. So what are the advantages of C#?
So advantage of C# is multi-threading. It is in C# by multi-threading, object-oriented language, and type safe, and updating scale. These are all the advantages of the C sharp, sir.
So why we use CLR for execution?
Sir, actually CLR is used to execute C sharp programs, and the full form of CLR is Common Language Runtime. Actually, sir, in a system is not understand high level language which is understand by the user, and user can't understand missionary language which is understand by the system. To convert the high level language into missionary language and to convert the missionary language into high level language, CLR is perfect. So CLR is used to execute the C sharp programs.
Okay, what is collections?
Collections are used to store the elements. Collection of elements called collections, and the collections are extension of the arrays. Arrays are also used to collect collection of data, but arrays are some drawbacks. To balance the drawbacks, collections are we have collections, and collections in collection we have three types: system dot collections, and system dot collection dot generics, and system dot collection dot concurrents.
Okay, so what is push, pop, and peek?
Push, pop, and peek. These three are the methods which we use in the collections. And push is used to add the element. And push is a method which is used to add the element. And pop is the method which is used to remove the element. And peek is method which is used to show the first element. So,
Okay, what is call by value?
call by value is from concept of oops concept, and call by value is used to call the methods or classes by passing the parameter. So it is called as call by value.
So what is the purpose of throw keyword in exception?
Throw keyword is used to rectify the customized exceptions. Sir, customized expressions are nothing but the exceptions or errors which created by the users.
Okay, to handle that user exceptions, we need to use the throw keyword.
Three throw keyword.
Okay, so what is the difference between this and base keyword?
This keyword, we have instance variables. If we have instance variable in the class, if instance variable and local variable two are same, values of the instance variable and global variable two are same, to call the instance variable, we need to use this keyword. By using this keyword, we call instance variable. And base keyword, when we use means, to call the immediate parent class properties, we need to use base keyword.
Okay, so what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a one principle in OOPS concept, and polymorphism means it is from Greek word, and poly means many and morphism means forms, which means many forms. And in polymorphism is achieved by two ways, two concepts: static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. And static polymorphism is achieved by the method overloading, and dynamic polymorphism is achieved by the method overriding.
Okay, Ramya. So that's
Thank you, sir.
okay.